I wanted to make a quick video for us to address the elephant in the room. And by elephant in the room, I don't mean a big elephant or the way we use elephant in the room like the big problem. But I wanted to address something. But before we start addressing that, I wanted to just bring to guys' attention that I got this from the mail. I don't really know what it is, but I'm thinking it's an unboxing knife. I remember on the video I made, the previous video obviously, I mentioned that I needed an unboxing knife to start opening these packages. I don't know if this was sent by Takealot or if it was sent by one of you. But anyways, let's open. I'm thinking it's an unboxing knife because the person that sent it actually has my sister's number. So the package went to her saying that, the message went to her saying that it's for me. So hopefully it's the actual knife. Don't mind those lights standing there in the background. It's just that you guys can see me properly. Keep looking at the screen again. So for this unboxing, actually, since this is the actual knife, I cannot use the knife which is inside the box to actually unbox the actual box of the knife, but I digress. So whoever sent this to me, I am really, I can't emphasize that much, but really grateful. So let me finish this quick unboxing, and wow, that's a beauty. But I'm afraid of knives, so actually you guys also should be afraid of knife. They can actually cause quite damage. But anyways, there we go, it's closed and we got an unboxing knife. I will probably be testing this guy this coming week. So the elephant in the room is this guy over here. This phone, I remember I posted some pictures on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, I probably have that linked down below in the description. Just go and give it a follow. This is not my phone, this is my dad's phone. He came from wherever he came, told me that he bought this amazing value for money proposition phone, as he puts it. And to my surprise, it was the OnePlus 5T. Now, just to give you guys basic info on what this guy have. Where's my iPhone? I found the iPhone. Just to give you guys basic information on this phone, and then I'm gonna tell you guys how much this phone is going for. Luckily, I always put my finger in every phone that passes my hand in this house, so no face detect. Okay, I have my finger also on this phone, and it's unlocked. He doesn't know that. So basic information on this phone. This is the 5T, as I mentioned. It has a full optic AMOLED display. Obviously that's 18:9 Snapdragon 835, 16 and a 20 megapixel dual camera. It has up to 8 gig of RAM and 128 gig of storage. More information on it, let's go on the display parameter. So the size of the display is a 6-inch display. As you can see, it's almost bezel-less display. And I'm not sure if it has, it definitely doesn't, because this is a ceramic back, so it might have, but I don't know if it does have wireless charging as the iPhone have. So it also has facial detection in front, which works pretty well, and it still keeps the fingerprint and has a Face ID just like the iPhone. Now ask me how much this phone is. Price $499 against this one here, which is come with the same freaking features, and it's called the iPhone X, and it goes for $1,000. That's $1,000 for a phone. But this is not the one thing that I am concerned of, that this one is 500 and this one is 1,000. My main concern is that it's really not that cold, eh? I don't know why I'm putting this jacket that much. Maybe because it's a brand new one, which I just kind of got for winter. But yeah, as I was saying, my main concern about, not the phone actually, but the concept of the phone. This phone goes about $500, and it's a really good phone at a really affordable price. But like other phones that I've come across, it's not gonna be released in Africa, and this is one of my main concerns. I'm actually loving this button, by the way. This is the volume rocket where you can put silent and other modes. So this phone will not come out in Africa. Yeah, this is what happens when you don't check your equipment before you start. What's wrong with this camera? This is why it happens when you don't check equipment before you start recording. 64 gigs full. I don't know why. Anyways, as I was saying, this is one of my concerns. These phones, they are really, really good phones that are never released in Africa. They're only big companies. And I think that is the problem, big companies. Actually, that's why those phones are being released here. Because the only phones that you find here that are really good is the Samsung S9 right now and the iPhone X. And I think because those are really big companies that already are established, they are able to send these phones this side, or they have companies this side as well selling those phones. But when it comes to affordable phone like the 15 T, we do not get it. Yeah, that's my concern, the elephant in the room. You can call this a rent, because I really would love to see this phone sold here. Because imagine $500, that should be around 6,000 rands, add a bit of a markup, 7.5. But obviously, if this one had to be sold this side, they were gonna sell it for 10,000. That's why I think they live that value at 10,000 phone, 10,000, like the Huawei P20, 10,000. Well, that's actually a good price for that phone. Anyways, so I'm now getting out of context. Just wanted to bring you guys this phone for your attention. This is the 5 T. Obviously, I make videos on how to buy things online. If you can follow that instruction on how to buy things online, you can actually get yourself a pretty good deal on this. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to bring you guys this to your attention, so now you are aware that you can actually buy good phones. You don't have to buy only an S9 or an iPhone X like I have. Those are good phones, but this one is good for the price. Anyways, so yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. I want to hear from you guys. Which phones were obviously released in the West, on the South, or South is actually should be Africa, but on the West, I mean Americas and Europe. Which phones have been released there that you wish they were also released in Africa? But for now, I'm just gonna go and unbox these guys for your next video. Yeah, this will be it. Make sure you are obviously subscribe to the channel so you don't miss videos and giveaways. And yeah, we are a big family, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.